Hi, this is Lynn Bello, and in this tutorial I will be demonstrating Google Drive. To get there, type login.muhlenberg.edu into your browser. When you get to the single sign-in, enter your password. When you get to this page, click where it says G Suite. And the default Google app that will open up will be your Gmail. Click on the grid icon in the upper right, which will give you a drop-down of the additional Google apps in G Suite. And to access your Drive, click Drive. So now you're in your Drive, and first I'd like to explain what the Drive is. Drive is storage space. Drive is the electronic space where any item you create using the G Suite tools will be stored automatically. So anytime you're creating a Google document or a Google slide, this is where it will live, so to speak. This is where you'll be able to access it here. Not only will you be able to save items that you created using the G Suite tools here, you can also upload items that you created outside of the G Suite tools. So say you created a document using Microsoft Office that's saved on your device's hard drive, you can upload those items into your drive as well. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Here on the left, just simply click the plus sign where it says New. And you have some options for items that you can access for uploading. If you want to upload a file, you simply click File Upload, or even if there's an entire folder on the internal drive of your device, you can select an entire folder upload. For the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to upload a file here, so just click it, and this will take you into your device's hard drive. So it's kind of landed in my Documents area. So for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to select this one. Actually, let's do Faculty Gathering 5. Once you do that, you can see the status of your upload down here. Will tell you when it's complete. You can click on that X to X that out. Then if you scroll down toward the bottom, you will find that they're in alphabetical order. So here it is, Faculty Gathering 5. It's living here now in my Google Drive. Another point I'd like to make is that as you are creating Google Docs, Google Slides, maybe Google Sheets, and you're working collaboratively, you're sharing these items with one another. If one of you has created a Google Doc, for example, initially, and you have saved it with your teammates, if you're one of the teammates who the document has been shared with, the way you can access that document is to click where it says Shared with Me. So I'm going to click, this is my drive, obviously, I'm going to click Shared with Me. These are all the items that other folks have shared with me. So again, if someone else on your team has created a document and shared it with you, the way you access it is by going into your drive and clicking on Shared with Me. I'm just going to go back to my drive here. It's a good idea to begin to organize the items in your drive using a system of folders here. It's pretty amazing how once you get into the habit of using Drive, you tend to accumulate a lot of stuff. So in order to create a folder, again, you're going to click on this New button and just select Folder to create a new folder. This screen will come up and you can name your folder. Create it, and then it will appear. And again, these are in alphabetical order. The other point I want to make is that anytime, I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the other tutorials, anytime that you are actually creating a document using any of the Google Suite tools, you don't have to initiate a save function as you're working. So for example, if you were working on a Microsoft Word document, you actually have to take the step to click on File and save your work. That is not necessary when you're using the Google App Suite products. Everything that you're creating is saved automatically. You don't have to take that extra step to save it. and will be automatically saved in your drive. And here's the major benefit of using Google Drive. Let's say that you are at work and you're working on an assignment for one of your classes, and the device that you have at work is not one that you can take with you. You can't take it home with you. Let's say it's a tower that has to stay in your office or your work area and you can't take it home. Ordinarily, if you're working like that and you need to work on that document when you get home, you would have to use something like a flash drive to save your work from your work computer onto the flash drive in order to bring it home to work on it at home. If you get into the habit of working in Google Drive, then you can skip that step. You can access your drive from any device simply by logging into your drive. So that's kind of one of the best features about the Google Drive. It eliminates that kind of weird step of saving to a different device. So again, this is just meant to be a quick and dirty about the drive and what it is. If you have questions about it, as always, feel free to reach out. I'm best reached through my Gmail, or through my Muhlenberg email rather. And hope this was helpful for you, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need to. Thanks.